Hi, this is Shawn from Shawn Enterprises, and I want you to watch this video before you join Royaltie in 2019, and I'll explain to you why. Even if you are a experienced marketer or if you're brand new to marketing, whether if you're in an MLM, your network marketing, or you're affiliate marketer using JVZ or ClickBank or something like that, and how our products can benefit you in your online success. Number one, it's an innovative product. It's the first of its kind, not as far as the landing pages and email components of it, as far as you combine them with the ability to be able to run ads all from one location. That's very innovative and is very helpful. Time consuming. It eliminates a lot of time, frees up your time from going from one platform to another, and also is very beneficial. It's because it's cost effective, and it works. You no longer have to purchase solar ads for people to see your advertisements or anything like that. You can pretty much go here and that one platform, set up an ad, run it across multiple online platforms, and get good results from using our system or our high quality ads and marketing techniques. It's an all-in-one marketing platform, like I said. If you're a business owner or, like I said, network marketer, or anything of the site or MLM or any type of business that you have or have your own business and you're looking for an online presence. Our system gives you every tool you need, including traffic, which means we give you landing pages, capture pages, email campaigns, and also, like I said, you can run your sponsor ads all from one location and also get analytics. And also now a new feature that we launched not too long ago, a social media post feature. Now instead of using Canva or something like that, you can come into our platform, produce your own clickable social media post now that you can post on your wall, on your Facebook page, your Facebook business page, or LinkedIn, Twitter, stuff like that, and have your clickable ads seen to be able to garnish some leads that way. Um, it's very good, like I say, for the online marketer, the affiliate marketer, or also if you are a business owner. It's very good for small or large business owners because of the price points that we offer and what we give you for that price point. Um, Say if you're a network marketer and you're looking for another opportunity, you know, we have a very lucrative compensation plan. Basically, what makes it so good is that we give you a dollar for dollar value compensation plan. It basically means for every subscription that you sell, every membership that you sell, you get full credit for that. You don't get a third, you don't get a half. If you sell a $57 membership, you get the full credit for that $57. If a member of your team, if you're a person that has a nice sized team or you're into team building, the team volume, all that counts towards your rank advancements, which is huge. And like I said, it's dollar for dollar, which can't be beat. We also give bonuses, like I said, $125 for 5, $250 for 10, which can add up. Like I said, you can either pocket that or you can use that incentive for your team members. Um, it's excellent. I love it. Um, we have a big support system, extensive training from corporate and also our team trainings. Corporate training is twice a week. It is recorded, so if you miss the times that it's available, it's always available to you. Now, you can use these trainings for your own personal use, or you can use them for team training. If, like I said, if you are a network marketer that has a pretty sizable team, this will work for you, help you save some time, and it's just very helpful. And also with our team, also we provide additional free tools and some paid tools that will help you in your network marketing business as far as growing your business, getting sales. Even if you're not in network marketing, if you're a business owner, we also teach you how to use and how to leverage social media and also offline techniques on how to grow your business and to get you where you need to go and to reach your goals. We have an active and strong support community, which is mostly located on Facebook, where you could get tips, pointers, help, engagement, other people's ideas. to kind of help you grow your business into so you can present yourself in the light that you would like to present yourself in. A lot of good people, very encouraging, very supportive. We have a nice sized royalty community, which helps you grow and maybe help you overcome some of your fears or some areas that you might be weak in that you're looking to get some help in. We do offer that. And also, as far on the corporate end, we give they use Zoom feature for their support. So you can actually call in, Zoom in, set up an appointment, and speak to a live person on the other end of your laptop or phone, and they can help you in a situation where, say, if you're building a landing page and you just can't get it how you want it, they can help you through those technical problems right there on your laptop or your phone. Is huge. Customer support is huge because I know with a lot of companies, man, they sit there and they sell you the product, but then they don't help you how to use the product or teach you how to use it or to properly use the product. We do that here with Royaltie, along on the corporate end and also on the team end. Um, I've helped people rank advance, along with my rank advance, and just pretty much we help each other as a nice, strong community. Even if you're an experienced marketer, I'm pretty sure that we have someone that is that can give you some pointers and point out something that you might not have known yourself previously, or to give you another look at something that will help you take your business to the next level. That's what we do here at Royaltie. That's what we do with the Elite. Um, Upline is very helpful. I am very helpful, supportive of my downline, and we grow and we rank together, and we celebrate each other. Um, if you're looking for an online marketing platform, um, Royaltie is the perfect place to get started because, like I said, it gives you everything you need from capture pages, landing pages, email list building, email blasts. If you have a team, you can share your landing pages with your team members, which is huge. They could go on and they could edit and make little edits into the landing page to fit them how they want to fit it. But it saves a lot of time. And that's a big thing in business. Time, support, the product works. And the big things that we do, we put eyeballs on your offer. With these ad pads, these new virtual gyms that we switched to approximately about a year ago, close to a year, it was pretty much a game changer. It's a game changer. It shook up a lot of other companies. They were not prepared for what we offer. Um, and we're just killing it right now. So if you're interested in using our products just simply to grow your business, or if you're looking for a business opportunity, Royaltie in 2019 is the place for you to go. My name is Shawn Cole. I'm always available to assist you in helping you make a decision or help you in your marketing or whatever needs you might have as far as online marketing and advertising. I can be reached 410-929-3390. Like I said, my name is Shawn Cole. You can find me on Facebook, Shawn Cole Enterprises. I have a mastermind group of myself that I nurture, and we support each other, and I give training for, and just to help you in your business, to help you to earn the income that you're looking to earn online. I could assist you with that. Again, if you have any questions, you can reach me, Shawn Cole, 410-929-3390. If you're interested in signing up with Royaltie, I can also assist you with that. My links will be in the description of this video. I'd like to thank you for your time, and you have a great day.